I'm putting 60 seconds into this. This is the annoying Maverick, whatever. Not the best gun to have. Because every single time you pull, it just keeps on shooting when you don't mean to shoot. And to unload is this button right here. And it comes out right there. You know, it'd be best if there was a nerf war in Lake Henshaw Resort. I would love to blast some peeps. Well, anyhow, this is the not so good Maverick, which I'm not 100% to, but of course others may like it. I don't. But that's their opinion, and that's my opinion.